guess what? We are back and I'm so excited about today's video, but I'm excited about every day's video that I get to sit here and just play in makeup and talk to you guys. So today's video is going to be my monthly favorites video, and it's that time of the month that a lot of these videos are going around on YouTube, and I just wanted to do, this will be my first monthly favorites video, but I always have favorites all the time. Everybody does. But I wanted to do mine for you guys, and so if you like these videos, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to click the link below and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. And let's just jump right onto the video, guys. I'm gonna kind of go in order from like how I would do my face in my favorite things. So I'm gonna kind of start out with some of my favorite tools. I've had some favorites lately. I recently just picked up this beauty blender. It's by, I'm pretty sure it was by Eco Tools. I cannot remember. I will put on the screen who it's by, but it's at Only Ulta brand. It's shaped like a diamond. I love this beauty blender, and it was really affordable. I will also put the price up on the screen over here. It's shaped like a diamond, which is also really cool. And sorry it's dirty, I just used it when I was putting on makeup today. What I love about this is when you wet it, it expands to like, it's pretty good size, as you can see, compared to my hand there. That like you can literally just, it literally is like the whole size of your cheek. So if you want a fast foundation day, literally you can just stamp this all over your face and you can get your foundation applied within just a minute. And then what I also love about this sponge is then you can turn it over from using the flat side to the pointed side, and I use it as my concealer to apply under my eyes and my nose and chin and forehead area. So I have been loving this sponge. I just got it, I don't know, middle of the month. And then also another sponge I've been loving is this sponge by Maybelline. It has a curved end and then a flat end. I love this sponge to apply my baking powder right underneath my eyes because it is curved, so it just fits perfectly under your eyes. And then to like get in these little curves of like your nose and under your chin right there, where I get so oily right there under my chin. So this has been another favorite. Moving on, so I have been loving this Milani 2-in-1 foundation and concealer foundation, and they shade 01 Creamy Vanilla. It is very nice. It comes as a pump. Sorry for the messiness there. Which is really nice. I love pump foundations, just the convenience. And then also another thing to pair with my foundation love for the month is this little Hoot Owl dish. I have fallen in love with this. I really had no use for this for a while. I couldn't figure out what to use for it. And then it hit me one day that, Bridget, why don't you just pump your foundation in this, and then you can easily either dab a beauty blender in it to apply to your face, use your finger, you can dab a brush, a kabuki brush in there. I have also been loving this. So these two have been a big favorite this month. Cover Effect Shimmer Veil that I got in my BoxyCharm. I'm trying to find the shade on it. Oh yes, it's Amethyst. How can I forget? Here it is. It's very nice. It comes with a doe foot applicator wand. I love this stuff. It is very expensive. I want to say it's 28 bucks for one of these. I will put everything in the comments below, in the bio below, of how much everything is, cost and everything. But I love this stuff so much. I want to get more of it, but I'm just not sure if I'm willing to spend that much money on it. But I've been loving this. And then I've also been loving the Kristen Lee Ann Kaleidoscope palette. I got this and I wasn't sure if I like it, but here is the colors. I have been using this a lot. And it comes with a double-sided brush, and it has actually been on clearance. Shockingly, this palette just got released a few months ago. It is on sale now if you can grab your hands on it at Sephora and Ulta, I'm pretty sure. But I have been loving the two blue shades, the LCW and TRM, I believe, are the names of the shades. I've been loving these blue shades and then the gold shades in this palette, and then the duochrome middle shade, this one here. It has just became a wonderful lid topper to apply on top of some matte shades. I've been loving this. And then this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the color Frog. I purchased this back in like January, and at first I didn't like the color because it doesn't really show up when you put on the lid. It just looks like creamy sparkle on your lid. But then I had this bright idea that, see, okay, so that's what it looks like swatched just by itself. So if you take a matte color, I'm going to take this orange from the Urban Decay palette, the Tagine shade. I'm going to swatch it here on my hand. There's it swatched by itself. And then I'm going to take some of this Frog shade and just apply over it. And then all of a sudden you have this beautiful shimmer orange shade. So I have been loving this ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in the color Frog a lot to transform any matte shade into another whole shade, which has been like so cool. I've been loving it. So I've also come to the realization that if you have any white shimmer shade, you can apply that to a matte shade and it turns it into a whole other shimmer shade. So just a quick tip out there, if you all have any white shimmer shades, just turn a matte shade into another shade. I don't know. And then, alright, moving on off of the shadow products. My newest favorite mascara that everybody on YouTube's been talking about is the Maybelline Total Temptations mascara. The wand, I love the wand as a super fluffy bristle wand, which that's the type of wands I love. And then the smell of this mascara is just out of this world. It smells like coconuts, and I love putting on, I had this one mascara, I can't even remember the name of the brand. I want to say it was by Rimmel, not sure, but it smelled like fresh cut greens. It just had a really clean smell. I used all of that up, and then I went back to the drugstore to pick up another one, and then I couldn't find it, and I've not been able to find it since. And I have used the heck out of this stuff. This has been a big favorite of mine. So, and then last thing, this is actually a lip balm, and it's a universal lip salve. Is by Glossier, and I had never tried this product, and I got this in my Ipsy bag in March, and I love this stuff. It also smells like coconuts, and I've come to realize that coconut is my second favorite scent, besides eucalyptus is my first favorite scent. And I have been using a lot of this, and surprisingly, this little bitty tube, there's still a lot left in this tube. And I've not yet ordered it off the internet, even though I said I was going to in my Ipsy bag video. I'm still going to order this stuff because it is so good. I love it. I literally put this stuff on after I get out of the shower, at the end of the night, put it on my lips, go to bed, sleep, wake up, my lips feel so moisturized. I love this stuff so much. And then kind of gonna move in, I have a couple of just beauty favorites, and first up is this Sugar and Lemon Moisturizing Lip Buffer. Is by Seraphine and Botanicals. I got this in my BoxyCharm. I have been loving this. I kind of use this in the mornings in my skin routine. I will use it to kind of scrub my lips, get them all ready to go for my lip products that I'm going to be wearing for the day. It is just so... It scrubs the dead skin off, and then it leaves your lips with this really nice moisturized feeling. And then the next product, I have been loving this. It's the Aromatherapy Shower Gel by Bath & Body. It is eucalyptus and spearmint, and this is actually a repurchase because I went through one of these because I got one for Christmas, used it up, and then I got this. I tell you what, the smell of eucalyptus, when you smell that, it feels like all the stress in the world is just like lifted off of your shoulders. And then the last monthly favorite is actually this candle that you guys see burning in every single video. And I'm not going to lift it up because it's lit right now, but I am going to tell you guys the name of the company. It's by Sand and Fog, and the smell is eucalyptus mint. What do you know? And I love this candle so much. I actually found this at TJ Maxx. I think it was for $10. Super good buy. And I will list the company and the links below if you all want to purchase that candle. It has been a big favorite of mine this month. I have been burning it every time I film, almost every day. I have been loving that candle. So that's going to sum up this video, guys. Please leave a comment below. What are some of your March favorites? I love knowing what you guys have been loving. Maybe I would try what you guys like too, and I could fall in love with it and be my next month favorite. But don't forget to like this video and give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel below, please. I would love it if you're new here. That way you can get notifications if you hit that bell also in that same corner. That way you'll be notified when I load more videos. And don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.